What's going on, guys? It's Lexi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's a really special day because I have a long-awaited recent sneaker pickups video for you guys today. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, hit the post notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and ignore my two broken nails this whole video. All right, so I recently picked these up, all white Air Force One high tops. Now you might be like, bro, why did you get those? I think they're a staple and I think they're cool, and I don't think these will ever be out of style, like literally. Next up, we have some more Air Force Ones. These are all black Air Force Ones. These are just called the Nike Air Force One shells. They are a weird material. Like, I don't know really what the material is. I think these are really cool. They look sick on feet. They're a really cool sneaker, but they freaking hurt my feet bad. But it's so weird because they hurt the top part of my foot. They don't hurt my soles of my feet, they hurt the top part. And I feel like it's because the top of this ain't really a shoe. These are the Billie Eilish Air Force One 2007. These are called the Mushrooms. And I guess this is just a reworked version of the 2007 Air Force One high tops. But these are sick. I don't know if you guys remember when, like, back in the whole sneaker world, bro. If I say this and no one can relate, I'm gonna be mad. Don't you remember when, like, there were so many flaxseed? Why were they called flaxseed? Wait, let me find this, bro. Literally, do you guys remember this shoe? For some reason, it was so hard. But yeah, I think these are pretty cool. I love them. I've already worn them, like, once, barely. I love all of these Velcro straps. I don't know why they just bring me back to elementary school when I used to wear Velcro shoes, but they do. And then you can see right here, instead of it saying Air Force One, it is her logo, which is so cool. Like, that is so cool. The insole looks so interesting. I'm not really sure what they got going on, but you can see in there, it says Nike x Billie Eilish. Next up, we have these Jordan 4s. These are called the Thunders, or the Red Thunders, or whatever people call them. This is what they look like. So these released this year, and everybody, I swear everybody got these. Like, I haven't worn mine at all yet just because I've seen them every time I go out the house. Every time I see that, it just makes me not want to wear a shoe yet. But don't get me wrong, I am gonna wear it. And it is a pretty cool sneaker. I just think Jordan really likes to slack a little bit when it comes to the grade school pairs, which is so annoying. Like, we just want the same quality. I just don't want my shoes to curve, okay? We have another Jordan 4. These are the military blacks. As you can tell, I wore them because they are laced to my liking. Every time you see a sneaker that is laced like this, I wore it. These are the military blacks. They are a black, white, and gray sneaker from Jordan, which I never thought I would see on a 4 silhouette. Besides, like, the Oreos that this kind of reminds me of a little bit. You can literally wear this with anything. It's got the gray, it's got the white, and it's got the black. What are you missing in a shoe? By the way, I am a size 6 in sneakers, 6Y, yeah. These right here are the Under Armour Srlo x ASAP Rocky collab, sneaker collab. These are really, really cool in my opinion. I know a lot of people might not like this sneaker, but when I first saw this shoe, I was like, yo, what the frick are those? I need to freaking know. Yeah, then I copped them because, dude, they could not stay uncoppable. Look, these are so hard. They have the fattest tongue I've ever freaking seen in my whole life, and they're chunky. They got a really chunky sole. They're freaking comfortable, to say the least. They're so comfortable. But yeah, this is actually a ASAP Rocky collab, and if this shoe looks familiar to you, it's because this shoe was kind of modeled after the Osiris D3s. And actually, when I wear my Srlos, that's kind of the nickname I've personally given them, the Srlos. But I'm not gonna say Under Armour Srlo ASAP Rocky Og. I'm not doing all that. I did cop this pair in all black as well as the other colorway, which is black on the upper and then gray, white, and blue on the sole. I think these are so cool. I have actually worn these and people thought they were the Osiris D3s, and I honestly think that Osiris, the company, kind of had a little bit of an issue when these released because they literally look so similar to the Osiris D3s. And when I got those, like, my all black pair, that's literally all I wore for a good month. I didn't wear any other sneaker, and they went with everything I put on. Like, what? I forgot to show y'all these, which are still in the box because I haven't worn them because they're another freaking pair of Air Forces, but oh my god. These are the Air Force One High Utility 2.0 something. The first time I saw these, I was out of town. These are so chunky and huge. I know I'm gonna wear them for something. I just don't know what yet. I saw them in the store and I thought they were really, really cute and I really wanted to get them, but I did not feel like buying them at the time. This little piece comes off. The cool thing about like just Air Forces in general these days is that the freaking strap can come off. Like so many people would like to wear it with the strap not strapped, but then it just dangles, but it actually can come off now. If I wanted to pull this out, I could. I haven't worn these yet. I feel like this is more of a winter shoe. These are from a brand called Hyacinth. I don't actually know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. These are all black Air Force One customized from a company called Hyacinth. I think I'm saying that right, but I really don't know. I ordered these. When they came, I just loved them. I thought they were really cool. The laces are these laces. The regular laces are underneath there and the aglets are not there, however. It's this big old ribbon looking lacing all over the shoe. A lot of people don't like this. I've heard mixed opinions, honestly. Some people are telling me they like it. Some people are like, ew. I actually like the shoe. I'm gonna keep wearing them because I think they're cool. They're different and I've never seen them before. These, ladies and gentlemen, are the Off-White Jordan 5s. First of all, I absolutely love the box. Every pair of Off-Whites I get, I never touch the box because it's always a cool box. Like, it's not a normal box ever. There's literally a hole in the tongue. This is such a cool pair of sneakers to me. These have been on like my to get list for quite a while, but I never got them. Yes, the sole looks like yellow, but I promise you that's how the sole will be looking. It's like a gray upper, but it looks so interesting. I absolutely love this sneaker because of this color gray. Also, the material is not leather, it's something else. I don't know what it is, but it's so cool. The black stitching makes the gray pop so much more. And then the silver tongue with the red Jumpman. Of course, we have the tag on it and it's black. It also came with white and red laces, but I think the black laces is really what the shoe needs. The coolest thing about this sneaker that I think Virgil Abloh did when designing this sneaker was taking out the stupid knuckle. I don't know what it's called. I called it a knuckle. The bump that comes out of every single pair of 5s is just annoying and it's unnecessary and I don't know why it's there. But in the Off-White 5s, it's not there. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to the big old bump. Such a cool thing to do to the sneaker. It made me look at 5s differently. I only have 2 pairs of 5s. Now that I have these. And I never wore my other pair. I only wore my first pair like one time. I like don't really rock with 5s for real. These are the vintage green dunks. Not sure if that's their like official name or whatever. They are the vintage pair. The sole is cream or aged and the laces are also that cream aged look. This is like metallic green rather than just kind of the regular green, but I absolutely love this sneaker. I got this while I was on vacation in Florida. I think these are super sick. They're so kind of classic looking to me. I feel like they can go with a lot of things and I feel like you can definitely dress this up and dress it down and very casual. Because as soon as I got these, I put them on with like a dress. I wore a dress that day, got these and tried them on in the store with the dress and I was like, this would go with this dress. So then that night, I wore them with the dress. LOL. Anyways, so yeah, we got these. And last but not least, probably one of my favorite sneakers of this recent pickup haul. These are the Nike SB Sting Waters. Oh my gosh, is this not the coolest shoe you've ever laid your eyes on? I know. So this is plain emoji with eyes. I don't know why it says that. This sneaker is all about mushrooms and yeah, they're called the Sting Waters. On the insole, it says, please don't step on me. I'm trying to grow. And then also on the tongue, I don't know if you can see on the tongue, there is a mushroom and it says grow your mind. And it's the same over here on the second shoe. What's cool is there's a zipper on the tongue for you to hide all of your stuff. And the zipper actually zips and everything. I just think this is the most like interactive shoe. I don't know, it's something about the shoe is like interactive. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. This stuff, the Nike sign, that I just realized is backwards. But how cool does it look, this big open space and it's just a small little Nike sign. And then over here, the Sting Water, and it's literally like just falling off of the, I don't know, these are so cool. I absolutely love these, bro. The inside is like corduroy. I don't know if this is really corduroy, but it's like, it's just not a normal shoe at all. I love this sneaker and it is like my favorite sneaker right now, especially out of this sneaker haul. The Off-White 5s are definitely a close second, but these are just sick. I just have to respect the design because I don't know why it's gotta be so cool. So that is all for my recent sneaker pickups. That's everything I've picked up recently. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little haul. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what kind of content you want to see in the future. Do you want to see more of the sneaker content? You know, I'm always buying sneakers. So do you want to see the sneaker content? Whatever you want to see, put it in the comments below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the post notification bell. Hit the thumbs up button. And hit the subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.